Yow, 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 yow. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
It's a hot ticket tonight, and we here at EA Sports are so excited to bring it to you. Along with Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Let's get ready to play this one. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. All alone! And it kind of falls apart.
I thought he was clean in, and then you're right. It falls apart. He gets nothing for that.
Great heads-up play by the defender. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. Team Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Italy's moving it into the offensive end. Takes the pass. Snaps it on net. Stopped by the goaltender.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
Team Italy's gained possession along the boards. Oh, and he misses an opportunity there.
Looking to be too perfect. Get it on the net. You've got a better chance to squeak one through the goaltender than if you miss it outside the net.
Centering pass, and that one's broken up. Carries it across the line. Lets it fly, and that's blocked. Kazakhstan's on the attack. Here's a chance, and pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. Takes the feed. They've got the defense outnumbered. Slides it across. Moves the puck. No room for that one to get through. From along the wall, takes a shot, and it comes up with the save. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Nice pass. Oh, and he completely blew it on that miss.
Yeah, you got to get it on the net, James. You've got an opportunity to score, and you don't even test the goalie.
Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes the feed. And a great save. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck in the defensive end. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Frank swooping in on the attack. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Looks to set up at the point now. Makes his presence known on the ice. Up along the wing. Dumps it in. Italy's got the puck along the wall. Lowers the boom with that hit. Moves it around along the half wall. Slides it back to the blue line. Puts it on net from the point. And he says no. Along the wing up the neutral zone. On the attack along the boards. Here's a shot, and that carries off a stick. Takes it across the blue line. Oh, smart heads-up play to poke that one away. Kazakhstan's got the puck along the boards. They gain possession here inside the neutral zone. Handles the puck from the left side. That's taken away. Great defensive effort there. Receives the pass. At center ice now. He grabs the puck. Sends the pass over. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Slides the puck over. Team Kazakhstan's got control of the puck. Over the line they come. Right in the slot. stop.
Since nobody scored, each team trying to find a little bit of room on the ice. When you can collect a hit like this, everyone on your bench notices.
Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And that's picked off in front. Here they come on the attack. Here's a shot. Nothing doing.
Oh, man, he's frustrated with himself. He's got to get that on the net.
And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Carries it in. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Team Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Here's a chance. Looking to make something happen along the boards. With possession along the wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Big time stop there. And off the save, that one goes into the crowd for a souvenir.
Larkin's able to use a really good angle to cut the ice off, and he lays a solid hit against the boards.
And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Intercepts the pass at center. Carries it across the line. Great pass from off the right side. And that misses.
I really like the way he delivers that puck, but he doesn't hit the net. Shoots it over top.
Good battle along the boards for the puck. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Moves the puck along the half wall. Sends a pass over. Back to the blue line. Handles the puck. Into the corner of the attacking area. There's the physical side.
Oh, the athletic therapist is already waiting for him at the door. He got crushed on that hit, and he needs some help.
The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Through center along the wing. Handles the puck at the point, and that's broken up. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Shot stops him cold. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Takes the pass. Moves it to Frank. Gets in front of it. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. And he gains the zone here. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Takes it across the blue line. They've got numbers to his teammate. Takes the feed at the back end. Takes the feed. Pass right on the doorstep. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Along the half wall with the puck. Italy's gained possession along the boards. shot! Makes the save and putting out the fire in front. Picked off in the open ice. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Great read to break up the play. Moves it around along the half wall. Back at the point, they set it up. Here's a chance, and the lane's clogged up, blocking that. Moves the puck. Over the line they come. Sends it over. Knocked away. On the attack along the boards. Lets it go. Off target.
Probably better off to take a little off the shot and get it on target. He's nowhere near the net.
Coughs it up at center. Can't keep a hold of it after that hit. Nice pass. Lets it go for the back end. Oh, what a stop. Takes the feed. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Here's a backhand. Stopped by the goaltender. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Team Italy's got control of it now from their own end. Here they come on the attack. Puts it towards the net. Oh, he went top corner.
Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got a penalty coming up right here.
There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one. He's going off for tripping, and doesn't everybody feel like they're innocent on a trip?
You feel like you're innocent on most every penalty, but this one always feels like, did you really have to call it?
Italy sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Well, there hasn't been much to choose from in the two teams so far. The game is still scoreless, of course, but here's a power play. You've got a chance to change that in the next couple of minutes.
Team Italy's got the puck along the wall. Look out, a 2-on-1. Quick shot, turns it away.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
Knocked around, but keeps it going. What a save! He'll probably feel that one tomorrow. Gets it out of his own end. Italy's got the puck along the boards. Up along the wing. Receives the pass. Great defensive effort with the strip. Team Kazakhstan's got it in their own zone. Gets the puck in deep. Team Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Carries it in. Sends the pass over. Takes a wrist shot. Comes up with the stick save. And manages to clear the zone. Both teams back to even strength. Impressive job by the penalty killers on that play.
Well, no go on that power play. They were able to move the puck around, and I guess at times it looked dangerous, but just nothing really going on the power play. They let that one slip through the fingers.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Handles it along the blue line. Slides the puck down low. Slides the puck over. Denies him. He got all of it. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Gets a hold of the puck here in his own end. Here's an odd man rush. That's intercepted. Carries it across the line. First period almost in the books here, nearing the final 60 seconds. Lets it fly, just wide. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Lowers the boob.
The big boy really laid the body on there. He closed the gap and laid out a big hit.
Here he is in close. Big save. Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Gets it out of his own end. Denied by the goaltender. Lays into the body. There's the horn bringing period number 1 to an end. Still no score in this one.
Be sure to attend our Auto and Light Truck Show next weekend and get a sneak peek at next year's model from the world's top automobile.
Second period still to come. We'll take a quick pause and be right back with more action. Clean sheet of ice. Period 2 is set to go. Still no score in this one. We'll see if period number 2 finds ourselves a goal. Ray, we've already got 20 minutes under our belt here. What are your thoughts of this one so far?
Team Italy's talked about getting pucks to the net. They certainly did that in that first period. They just haven't found a way to crack the ice.
Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the faceoff.
They've been skunked on the power play so far tonight. So you have a little chat on the bench. Guys, notice some things that the penalty killers...
And he rings the post! Pass back to the point. Here's a blast! The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. Quick feed down low. Sends a pass over. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Kazakhstan's gained possession and manages to clear the zone. Tries to get this man advantage going from their own end now. Handles the puck. Here's a shot. Good positioning there to knock it away with the glove. Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. Gets it out of his own end. Team Italy's gained possession along the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here's a shot. Misses over the net. Kazakhstan's got it behind the net. And the puck's kicked free. On the heels of their blades, trying to get it out. Chance to breathe for the penalty killers as they clear the puck.
Solid play. It doesn't have to be the most attractive play, but that puck has to go out.
Plays the puck up ahead. Quick feed down low. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Italy's got it from behind the net. Gives them nothing in front.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
And he makes the easy save. Team Italy's got it in their own zone. With possession along the wall. Takes the feed at the point. Way too much congestion blocks that. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Shoots it, misses over the net.
Just misses the net, but really the scoring chance is not dangerous if you can't get the puck at the goaltender.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Along the half wall with the puck. Here's a chance in front. Across the point. Drives it to the front of the net. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Puts it to the front of the net. Oh, and a good opportunity right there.
You don't get many chances. You want to finish them off, so he'll be a little frustrated as he heads back up ice.
Along the wing up the neutral zone. Sent into the offensive zone. Italy's got the puck along the wall. Through center along the wing. And that one's stolen at center ice. Moves it around along the half wall. Centered out in front. Denies him in front.
He makes the glove stop right from the slot. That's a dangerous chance. Frank's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Moves the puck. Flips it up the net. Blocker save. Gets it back. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Team Italy's got the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Shot! Shuts him down. Nice pass. Up along the wing. Takes that pass back at the point. Big time stop. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Over the line they come. Move to the middle. And he easily stops that one. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Along the wing up the neutral zone. On the attack along the boards. Eagle eyes by the referees. Delayed penalty coming up here. Looks like they caught the slash. You're a pretty good little leaguer. That's almost a home run swing.
You make connection with that, James. That's a double. That's a penalty in hockey.
Well, this gives us our first chance to take a look at the team's power play unit.
Well, hard work earns the first power play of the game for them, and now they've got to take advantage of it. They'll start with the face-off, of course, in the offensive zone.
The penalty, 7 minutes, 33 seconds.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Too much congestion in front. And makes the save. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Receives the pass. Takes a shot. And that one's stopped.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Sends the pass over. Slides that one right across the blue line. And that's blocked away. Under siege, trying to get it out of their zone. Cross the blue line, and they'll get that much-needed change, Ray.
Yeah, they've got to get guys off the ice. They look tired. Now you can get a fresh group on the ice.
Shot stopped by the goaltender. Italy's got the puck along the boards. And manages to clear the zone. Slides away from his crease now to play the puck. Great feed from the left side. Penalty expires. You really have to admire the effort of the penalty-killing unit on that one as both teams are back to even strength.
You're always angry when you don't score on the power play, but 80% of the time you don't. Yet it becomes really frustrating when you let one slip away.
And that's picked off. Here they come on the attack. Rips it, denies him on the play. Battle along the boards. Stretch pass. Slides the puck over. And the puck dies with the trapper save. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Picks off the feed. Trying to gain a step. He's in all alone. Team Italy's got possession at center. Into the offensive zone. Italy's got it now. Team Italy's regained possession of the puck. Sends a pass over. Puts it on net, and a great save. Through center along the wing. Manages to hang on. Stopped by the goaltender. Wait, no, it's in. It's in the net. It's in the net.
That shot just overpowered him, I guess. He stopped most of it. It just trickled through and rolled into the net.
Team Kazakhstan's given themselves a one-goal lead, and kind of surprising where they're at considering the way they played.
It's like they've dragged the cinder block around with them for the first half of the game, yet they're in the lead now. Maybe they can ditch the block and get going.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Rocks him against the boards.
That's a great hit. I love the way that he took the ice away and slammed him into the wall.
Handles the puck. Moves up near the blue line and looks to set up at the point. Just wide of the net.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
Good use of the body to knock them off the puck. Carries it in. With possession along the wall. Back to the point it goes. Puts it on goal, and there's the save. Referee's got his hand up, signaling a delayed penalty. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Let's see what the officials are calling. Officials calling charging. You agree with the call?
I do, and in particular when a player goes that far to make the hit and doesn't really slow down, it becomes a dangerous play.
Another special teams opportunity for both sides as the man advantage unit is back to work again.
This is a pretty simplistic power play. They like to get the puck, shoot it, crash the net, get it back, and shoot it again. What a great time to have a man advantage as they trail by one.
Gets it out of his own end. Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. And that's picked off in front. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Team Italy's got control of it now from their own end. Handles the pass from the right wing. Takes the pass. Centering pass. Shot right in front. That goes off a twig. Now he takes it over the line. Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes the feed. From one end of the blue line to the other. Along the half wall with the puck. And that one's broken up. That goes wide.
Not going to get many better chances from that. Dead center, right in the slot.
And the PK unit gets it done, preserving the one-goal lead.
Well, not much they're going to be able to do about that. The power play failed. Now they go back to even strength.
Late goings of this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves it around along the half wall. Moves the puck. Passes the puck over to Larkin. And we've got a 2-on-1. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone.
You're going to take a chance once in a while if your team's trailing.
Here's the pass. Takes a wrist shot, and the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Carries it across the line. Here they are on the attack. Puts it on net. He scores! I believe a colleague of ours likes to call those back-to-back.
Yeah, the coaches want you to stay aggressive after you score. They do that, and they're able to put another one up on the board. It's a bad decision by the other team as they get caught in an odd man rush, but they don't make any mistake. This is a beauty.
Kazakhstan's goal here late in the second has to take a ton of wind out of the sails from their opposition here.
I don't see how it couldn't. You're only one down, you feel pretty good about yourself. Now you're down two. It's a pretty tough spot to be.
Wrist one in close. Oh, what a beautiful glove save.
We often talk about a goalie's reflexes. You've got to have quick hands to make a glove stop like that.
Team Italy's had a lot of good looks offensively, but they have run into one hot goaltender, which is why they trail late in this second. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Frank's moving it ahead. Looks to set up at the point now. And he comes up with it. Just here in the late stages of this frame, Team Kazakhstan's been the better team here over the last few minutes, increasing their lead to 2. Rips it on net. Big time stop there.
You know when you're looking for a buddy in a crowded train station? Well, now you got to find a little puck through the bodies there. Good luck to you. You found it.
Fires it into the offensive zone. Nice pass. Sends it over to Frank. Lets it go. Makes the save. And he's taken down. The official's arm signaling for a penalty. There's the whistle. Let's get the official decision. Looks like tripping the call.
Sometimes they're lazy, sometimes they're just bad luck.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
Well, they get another chance here. They've earned the power play. They haven't got anything on their power plays yet. Haven't had a lot of them, but here's a nice chance for them.
Here's a chance to clear the defensive zone. Finally, Ray.
Yeah, they do get it down the ice. I thought they held their structure pretty good. They tried to clear the puck a couple times, couldn't get it out. Now they're exhausted. Finally, they can get a change.
Comes up with the stop. Italy's had their opportunities, but they still trail late in this second period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Centering pass! Stopped by the goaltender. And manages to clear the zone. And leaves the comfort of his crease to play the puck. Gets a hold of the puck from the right side. Lets one go, and that one's turned away. And that's all she wrote on period number 2 in this one. Do we dare jinx them and use the word shutout? I guess I just did. 2-0 after 40.
Stay warm and stylish in the rink with our specially priced items tonight. Our game
The third period is just around the corner. Ray and I will bring you all the action in a moment.
and supplies are limited.
And they are ready to drop the puck on period number 3. Kazakhstan's man advantage is still intact as this period gets underway, and they win the draw. Feeds it down low. Moves behind the net. Takes the feed. That's turned aside from the blocker.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance. Pretty good shot. The goalie's able to get the blocker up on it and put it outside.
Team Italy's had plenty of good looks offensively, but they cannot convert, trailing early in the third. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Gets it out of his own end. And the goalie leaves his crease to play the puck. Grabs the puck. Italy's got a hold of the puck. Receives the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Oh, great read.
Team Italy's turned this game into a really tight affair because nobody can move the puck very freely with good stick positioning to intercept pucks.
Lots of time left in this period. 2-0 is the score. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here's a chance right in the slot. Off target.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the puck on target.
Team Italy's been the better team, but not necessarily boasting the better goaltender, trailing early in the third. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. From one-point man to another. On the attack along the boards. From point-blank range, right on the doorstep. Italy's grabbed a hold of the puck. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Sends the pass over. He got all of that hit. Takes it across the blue line. With possession along the wall. Unleashes a cannon. Makes a save. Gets a piece of it with the glove.
He's working hard to find this puck. There's all kinds of traffic in front of him, and he gets to it before the puck gets to him.
Up along the wing. Team Italy's gained possession along the boards. Tries to make that cross-ice feed. They've got the defense outnumbered. Takes a shot, just wide. Italy's got possession here in the offensive zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Excellent stick work on the play. Great pass from the left wing up the middle now. Puts it on net. Glove save, and he made it look simple.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. 2-0 is where we sit. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Through center along the wing. Knocks the puck away in the open ice. Over the line they come. Slides it back to the blue line. Makes the save with the trapper.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save.
Oh, there's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
We got a penalty coming up here as the officials blow the play dead. Well, the official's going to give him 2 minutes to think about that one.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know at this point you're going to sit down.
Back to the face-off circle. They'll send the man advantage unit out again.
The best power plays are the ones that are successful after they've failed. They haven't been very good tonight, but you have to wash that away, not let it affect the current power play.
And manages to clear the zone. And great hustle to come up with the puck. Back to the blue line. Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot and makes the save. More than half the period left to play, and it's a 2-0 hockey game. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. Sends it across. Takes a shot with the stop. Move to the middle, and that's broken up. Team Kazakhstan's trying to make something happen. He scores!
Well, they've been hoping that the extra work they've done on the power play would help them capitalize. You do a nice job there. Power play's job is to create shots, and if you can create them from the most dangerous areas of the ice, you're going to be successful. Dead center, in the slot, he doesn't miss.
Kazakhstan's having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
Scored on the power play by number 20.
Moves the puck along the half wall.
And by number 19.
Jabs the puck away.
6 minutes, 41 seconds.
With some momentum driving towards the net. Handles the puck at the point. That's a solid check on the play. From the neutral zone now. Into the corner now. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Huge hit.
Whoa, he got rattled hard. Not only that, he dropped his stick. Now he's got to collect himself and go pick up his twig as well.
Denied a big scoring chance right there. Misses.
Get it on the cage. Make the goalie do something with it.
Moves the puck into the attacking area. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And that goes off a player in front. Picks up the puck in his own end. Point-to-point pass. Referee signaling for a penalty. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. And here comes the judgment from the official. We got a minor penalty coming up here on this one.
For sure, James. I mean, this call was going to be made. You could see the play develop, and now they're going to have to serve 2 minutes.
The power play unit goes right back to work.
Well, here they go with another power play, James. I mean, they've screwed up their previous ones in just about every imaginable way. Now it's time to wash that and re-attack on the next power play.
Gets it out of his own end. Team Italy's got the puck along the boards. Through the neutral zone, it goes to the middle. Slides it across. Knocked away. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Too much congestion, blocks the shot. Comes up with the stop. Still lots of time left here in this frame, and the ice has been tilted to this point. 3-0 is where we sit right now. Italy's ready to go on the attack. Gets it to the other point. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Team Italy's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. And manages to clear the zone. Italy's got the puck along the wall. And he slides it quickly to Frank. Along the half wall with the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Gets it out of his own end. Team Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. And a great job by the shorthanded unit those last few moments as the penalty expires.
Well, they're not going to do a much better job than that last penalty kill all night. They've been really efficient. Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
And the parade to the penalty box will continue as play is called for yet another penalty. Pretty easy call to make, or hooking right here.
Well, he gets a stick around his waist, then he stops skating. It's almost like he's advertising for the penalty.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Here's another power play for them, James. They've already scored on the power play tonight, so they must have some pretty good feel for it. They also have to be aware the penalty killers will adjust. They will have to too.
And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a reaction. And manages to clear the zone. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. Slides the puck over. Carries it in. Right out front, and he makes the save. Setting up now from Gretzky's office. Denies him again. Unbeatable.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
Italy's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Carries it across the line. Takes the feed at the back end. Oh, and a misfire as that goes right out of the zone. Comes out to play the puck. Scoops up the puck here.
It doesn't really matter that the power play didn't score. They've got such a nice lead. But I'll tell you, as a guy that made a living on the power play, I wanted to score every time I was out there.
Team Italy's gained possession along the boards. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Back at the point, they set it up. Long jam in front, that's broken up. Centering pass. Rips it off the post. And the puck skips out of the zone. They'll have to regroup. Dumps it into the O-zone. Sends a pass over. Handles a great feed here in the neutral zone. Here's a shot denied by the goaltender. Scrum along the boards as they battle for the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. And that shot dies in traffic. Takes the stretch pass in the open ice. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Oh, what a stop! Kazakhstan's got the puck in the defensive end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Coughs up possession of the puck. Moved to the middle. From the slot, fires away. Can't get it to go. Italy's got the puck along the boards. Handles the puck. Takes the pass. Too much traffic in the lane. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. Team Italy's offensive struggles have been the story tonight. Lots of chances, just not a lot of results. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Can't hang on to the puck after the play. Puts it up front, and they come up empty-handed. Battling for the puck, but still hangs on. With the stop. Italy's running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. There's the whistle stopping the play. Penalty coming up. I don't think this will have much of an impact on this one. Tripping the call on the play.
I don't necessarily think he's trying to trip him here, James, but he gets a stick into his feet. Down he goes.
Face off and another opportunity to take a look at the man advantage unit here.
Sometimes you have to have the shortest of memories when you play on a specialty unit like the power play. It hasn't gone very well for them so far tonight. They have to attack this power play with a renewed vigor.
Handles it along the blue line. Takes the feed. Quick shot! Stones him in front.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Here in the later stages of this period, 3-0 is the score. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Takes a shot, comes up with the stop. And that one's picked off. Moves the puck. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And manages to clear the zone. Team Italy's got the puck along the wall. Over the line they come. On the attack along the boards. Nice pass. Here's a shot, and that goes wide.
Italy's trailing in this game because they've not been able to capitalize on their multitude of scoring chances.
And time is running out on this one. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Here he is, shot right in front. Close save, and the play continues. Takes the feed. Under a minute to go in the third. Trying to get back on the attack now. With possession along the wall. Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Here they come on the attack. Pass back to the point. Receives the pass. Gets in front of it.
the last 2 hours, it's been this same movie again. Great scoring chance, great stop.
Team Italy's had more shots on goal, but yet they've run into a hot goalie. They trail late in this third period. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Gives it right back. Moves the puck along the half wall. Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Carries it in. Moves it quickly over to Larkin. Moves right to the middle. Here's a shot. Denied by the goaltender. Lets it fly. Off target. Big save right at the end. Final horn sounds, bringing this one to an end. From a team standpoint, the win is obviously the most important, but boy, what an impressive shutout.
So good to play when your goaltender is that confident. You know that if you give up a chance, most likely he's in the middle of it. He was terrific tonight.
In the meantime and in between time, he's Ray, I'm James. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo.